Hey guys, today we're looking at DNA and we're looking at how it's put together, okay? So this is what a DNA structure would look like, okay? Obviously it's drawn, it's not perfect, but it kind of gives you an idea of how it works, okay? Now, in order to understand this, you need to understand the 4 bases that are a part of DNA structure, okay? First thing you need to know is that it's a double helix structure. That just means it's like this spiral staircase shape, okay? So it looks like a spiral staircase. There are 4 bases that you need to know. They're adenine, thymine, cytosine, and guanine, okay? And they're represented over here in this picture. Cytosine is blue, guanine is green, adenine is yellow, and thymine is red. Now, what you notice is the color yellow always pairs with what color in this picture? It always pairs with red because adenine and thymine are always together, okay? You never see an adenine paired up with a cytosine. They don't fit together, so it's impossible, okay? And cytosine and guanine are actually 2 that fit together. So you see cytosine is blue and guanine is green. Every time there's a blue, there's going to be a matching green, okay? So these 4 bases essentially are going to arrange in different ways to kind of tell your cells what proteins to make. And so it's really important the order that they go in is going to determine what it is that your cells are going to make, okay? So what I want you to do is I want you to read, it's not very long today, it just talks a little bit about the background of who discovered the DNA molecule, which is James Watson, Francis Crick, and Rosalind Franklin. They're all play a really important role in us understanding this DNA molecule. And then I also want you to read 314. And at the end of 314, you'll notice there's those 3 people with their DNA samples, okay? The thing you need to understand about DNA is unique. You do not have the same DNA of anyone else, okay? Unless you're an identical twin, which none of you are, so we're good. So your DNA is completely unique. There's no one else who has the same DNA. Okay, because of the way that everything's put together, the different things you got from your mom, the different things you got from your dad, your brothers, your sisters, they have DNA too. It's not the same as yours, okay? So with that DNA, we can use that to figure out suspects in a crime. So in this particular instance, we have 3 different criminals who have been, their DNA has been taken because we suspect that they could possibly have committed a crime. And then at the bottom, you'll see the comparison. So what I want you to do is I want you to look at the box with the lines on it and compare it to our 3 suspects and tell me which suspect you think committed the crime. Okay, for homework, what you're going to do is I included in your packet some pipe cleaners, okay? The 2 black ones are going to be your base. This is found on Activity Manual page 209 and 210. The other ones you're going to cut into 2-inch strips, okay? And then what you're going to do is you're going to connect them the right way. You're going to connect adenine and thymine and cytosine and guanine. When you've got it done and you followed all the instructions on 209 and 210, I want you to take a picture of it and send it to me. Today's lesson, super short. So go ahead and make that molecule now. And then tomorrow for homework before we Zoom, I want you to do 211 and 212. Okay, that's going to be due on May 18th. Okay, when we come back after the weekend. So super short lesson today, guys. This is what a DNA molecule looks like, really simplified. Create one of your own and then do your homework. All right, love you guys.